Let's introduce what we have done with reporting in this project. I take around 10 minutes to introduce you the reason why we did it this way, and also giving you some example of what we have done. First of all, what we had done, it was related to the need of the credit manager that were busy in arranging data, making reporting basically manually with the standard tool, with no dedicated tool, and so the first reason was to replicate the current reporting. But we have in mind that people interested in reporting are not only internal but also external to the property and the landlord itself. And what we have done was something for the accounting service and for the tenant, so something that can be shared with someone outside the organization. Well, good to keep in mind that the information available by MIA are designed to be integrated into the CBRE data warehouse, then elaborated by the proper business logic in order to get dashboard reporting and the other analysis tool. But in the meantime that this gets done, we decided to let this data available to the user simply with Office. Data involved in our project are, of course, invoices, payments, the cash allocation, so the relation with payments, then the tenants is a profile, some information about tenants, the property itself, and also guarantee, as a debt guarantee help that the tenants give to the company to guarantee their debt. Well, two basic concepts: the time frame, so it is the period of time that is under analysis. Information are updated daily, and the user asked to set a reference day in the past where to make reporting. So it is like asking Mia, please Mia, give me all the unpaid invoice since the beginning to the reference day. But there was also the need to add invoices expiring after a certain start point, even if they were paid. Usually this date is the beginning of the year. So we had also the opportunity to consider payment arrived and allocated after the reference day till the certain threshold payment update day. So this is basically the time frame. Now, having this done, it is about layouts. The layout is basically in terms of dimension analysis and measures and information that are available. The top in terms of aggregation is the summary report that shows invoiced, collected, and arrears grouped by property, customer status, year of expiry, and service type. As we have invoice line, not only the full invoice, we can break down to the service time. Well, we add a more detailed analysis, adding detail about the tenant. Here you can see that the tenant cluster analysis shows a row, like a row for each tenant, giving the same KPIs, adding information about the guarantee, the nature, the amount that could be easily compared to the arrears, but also the aging analysis of arrears. So having some more information. Then more detailed, it is the full detailed report that shows for each tenant the invoice line with the amount, the collected value, eventually the arrears, again the aging analysis, again the keeping also the bank guarantee with the expiry date here. Full detail we have a form that holds only information about one tenant, giving all the basic info, where the store is located, then information about guarantee. As in Italy they manage 2 guarantee levels, we have both here, detail. Also an indicator that tells us a ratio between the guarantee value and the arrears. So also in yellow, with a yellow background, the notes that the user type to store information about this tenant. Then we have unallocated cash, so payments that the tenant has done that has not been properly allocated to an invoice. And then on the bottom, this is partially because it is cut. We have all the invoices, and for each invoice we have the allocated payment. So this gives a clear idea of this account. This report is also available for sharing with a tenant, as we said. Good. That is mostly. Just to add that all those information are also available on Excel into pivot table, so the user can combine rows and columns and sum in the way he likes to have some more details. So we get this result just letting information and data available to the user using Office. Thanks for watching.